Hello children, welcome to Pragati School channel. The chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, the topic behavior of pair of linear equations. So in previous video we have seen the conditions. The conditions, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, one solution. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, no solutions. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, many solutions. So in this video we are going to take the problem like this. Examine whether the following equations are intersect, parallel, coincident. In that first problem we have taken 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and 4x plus 6y equal to 14. Children, always remember, we should write the equation in the standard form. This is not in the standard form. So, 2x plus 3y, transfer it, minus 7 equal to 0. This is the standard form. And 4x plus 6y, transfer, minus 14 equal to 0. It is standard form. So when the equation is given, we should check whether it is the standard form or not. If it is not in the standard form, bring it to standard form. Now, what is the value of a1? It is a 2. b1, it is 3. c1, it is minus 7. Now, what is the value of a2? It is 4. b2, 6. c2, it is minus 14. We have learned so many problems in the previous videos. Just identify, find out a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now, let us find a1 by a2. That is 2 by a1 is 2. a2 value is 4. Simplify it, we will get 1 by 2. This a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. Next, b1 by b2. b1 value is 3 by b2 value is 6. Simplify, we get 1 by 2. Next, c1 by c2. c1 value, it is minus 7 by c2 value is minus 14. Minus divided by minus, it is plus, we know, 7 1s are 7 2s. So it is 1 by 2. So from this what we understand? a1 by a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 1 by 2. c1 by c2, 1 by 2. Let us see which condition is that. Not the first one. You cannot take the second one. This is not equal. So the third condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So what we have to write? Many solutions. Many solutions means they will lie on each other, coincident. So here we write a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, here we have asked whether they intersect, whether they are parallel, whether they are coincident. Therefore, coincident. I hope you have understood. Now, we take the next equations. Second one, 3x minus 5y equal to 4 and 2x plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. This is not in the standard form. This is in the standard form. Since not in the standard form, bring it to standard form. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. And no change in the second one. 2x plus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 5, c1 equal to minus 4. Okay. Next, a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3, c2 equal to minus 3. Okay. Now, a1 by a2. What is the value? a1 is 3, a2 is 2. 3 by 2. b1 by b2. What is b1? Minus 5 by b2 value is 3. That is minus 5 by 3. See, when you find the value of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, first check this equation, this condition. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, whether they are equal. If they are equal, go to the third one. Now, this is 3 by 2, this is minus 5 by 3, then we need not go to the third condition. So, right away we can go to this condition now. So, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This is 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3. So, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, one solution. That means the lines intersect. Therefore, intersect. Okay. Now we take the next problem. Third question. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0 and 10x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. Both are in the standard form. a1 5, a2 b1 minus 2, c1 minus 1. Next, I will write here. So there is every time you can change yourself. Is it? Two problems I wrote here, A2, B2, C2. Now I will write here. Why I will tell you. A2, it is a 10. B2, it is minus 4. C2, it is minus 5. Now by this time you might have got the idea. A1 by A2, 5 by 10, minus 2 by minus 4, minus 1 by minus 5. You can calculate. Okay, there are different ways. Okay, now A1 by A2 equal to 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. Next, B1 by B2 minus 2 by minus 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Minus divided by minus is plus. C1 by C2 equal to minus 1 by minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. Now A1 by A2, B1 by B2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that means both are equal. We can't go to first condition. Both equal, so it can be either this or this. Whether second one or third one, it depends upon third value. C1 by C2. So what is C1 by C2? 1 by 5. Whether all the values are equal, 1 by 5, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Both equal, C1 by C2 not equal. Both equal, C1 by C2 not equal. So we get this condition. So we write the condition here. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So from this condition what we understand? These two, that is the pair of linear equations, these two linear equations, they don't have any solution. That means they are parallel to each other. Therefore, parallel. So, we have seen one problem intersecting, we have seen one problem coincident, and we have seen one problem parallel. So, only these three types of varieties of problems are there. So, any number of problems we can solve, provided you should practice those things. So, for the practice, we take one more problem. We will continue. One problem. (3x minus 4y). This is the fourth problem. 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. So this is standard form. This is standard form. A1 3 B1 minus 4 C1 2 A2 6 B2 minus 8 C2 5. Now A1 by A2 equal to 3 by 6. You can simplify, we get 1 by 2. Now B1 by B2. If B1 by B2 is not equal, then we stop there. Let us see. B1 by B2. B1 value is minus 4. B2 value is minus 8. Minus divided by minus plus 1 by 2. Both values are equal. See, if it is not equal, we will stop. Since it is equal, go to C1 by C2. Now, C1 by C2. C1 by C2. C1 value is 2, C2 value is 5. 2 by 5. Now by this time you have understood whether second one or third one, whether parallel or coincident. Both values equal, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2, not equal to C1 by C2. That means the lines are parallel. So the condition we write, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, whether they intersect, whether they are parallel, whether they are coincide, from this condition we will come to know that they are parallel. Okay, children? So like this, we have to solve many problems. You frame the equation of your own choice. Number of equations you frame and try to find the condition and try to see whether they intersect, whether they are parallel or whether they coincident. Okay? Let's meet in the next video. If you have any questions, you can message to my number 9916675060. Okay? Thank you.